Plankton are a group of many different animals, algae, bacteria, and other microscopic organisms that inhabit the upper layers of the world's oceans, seas, and fresh water. Invisible to the naked eye, they are nevertheless the main source of food for much larger animals such as whales. In a project called Tara Oceans, led by the French non-profit organization Tara Expeditions, 200 scientists from 45 countries took turns researching plankton aboard a two-mast schooner. Setting sail in September 2009, the ship Tara visited 210 sites where scientists collected 35,000 samples researching the lives, genetic makeup, and movement of the tiny creatures. Scientific coordinator of Tara Oceans, Chris Bowler, says they discovered that plankton are responsible for much of the well-being of our planet.
Generating the oxygen we breathe, removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and generally maintaining this Earth in a state that is habitable for us human beings.
Bowler says close to half of the oxygen that we breathe comes from diatoms, tiny photosynthesizing algae that inhabit the sunlit layer of all water bodies.
That basically means every fifth time that you breathe, you're breathing oxygen, which we can directly trace back to diatoms. So they're sort of as important as the tropical rainforests in terms of their global contribution.
Expedition Executive Director Romain Troblet says the study clearly shows that the ocean is the Earth's climate machine.
We believe that the ocean is also a main driver of the climate change, a main mitigator, in the way that the ocean and the life in the ocean is storing carbon dioxide, storing heat, and this machinery works because the ocean is in good health.
Different groups of scientists studied different things. For instance, one group catalogued over 40 million previously unknown plankton genes. Another found that most of the plankton interactions were parasitic. The collected data will be used to determine which of the organisms are most adaptable to changing water conditions. Results of the first studies were published in the May edition of the online scientific journal Science, which says that many analyses will follow. George Putic, VOA News, Washington.